Hey everyone, it's Julie here with TipRanks, and today we're taking a look at two 10 out of 10 stocks that analysts have been increasing their price targets on. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Today we're taking a look at two stocks that score a perfect 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score. That looks at 8 unique factors and measures a stock's likelihood to outperform the overall market. On top of the 10 out of 10 score, they also come in with a strong buy consensus from Wall Street analysts, and in the last couple of weeks we're seeing a lot of them increase their price targets as well. So today we're going to take a look at these companies, what it is that they do, and what has analysts feeling more bullish on the stock's future. We found today's stocks over on the TipRanks Top Smart Score Stocks page. Found underneath the Ideas menu, here you'll find a collection of stocks currently scoring a 10 out of 10. I narrowed it down to a medium to mega market cap and scoring a top score in the last week to 4 weeks to give us our list of companies down below. Just before we dive into our stocks today, this is a reminder that TipRanks is currently having a 30% off sale to celebrate Valentine's. So if you've been wanting to unlock some premium investment research tools or check out some of our Smart Investor newsletters, now is a great time to do so. You can head on over to tipranks.com or follow the links in the description down below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Now let's dive right into our two 10 out of 10 stocks. First up, we're taking a look at Tapestry. They trade under the ticker TPR, and this is a stock that we've talked about before back near the end of August. Currently priced at $80.91, they've climbed 91% over this past year, and in the last 3 months have gained 58%. They currently score a 10 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score, with a bullish blogger sentiment, increased hedge fund activity, very positive crowd wisdom, and positive technicals. Based out of New York, Tapestry is a multinational luxury fashion company. They design, market, and sell high-end accessories and lifestyle products, and are the parent company of 3 major brands: Coach New York, Kate Spade, and Stuart Weitzman. The company's product portfolio includes items such as handbags, wallets, footwear, jewelry, eyewear, fragrances, and more, selling their products through various channels, including company-operated stores, their e-commerce website, department stores, and third-party distributors globally. Tapestry has been gaining analysts' attention after their Q2 earnings report last week, where they had an earnings beat, record quarterly revenue, and increased their fiscal outlook. For their second quarter, they reported earnings per share of $2, which beat analysts' expectations by 25 cents. Revenue came in at $2.2 billion, beating by $90 million, and representing a 5% increase compared to the prior year. The company said that they remain on track to return over $2 billion to shareholders during the year and raised their 2025 revenue, operating margin, earnings per share, and free cash flow outlook. For the quarter, they noted that Coach reported a 10% revenue gain with significant margin expansion. They saw impressive growth in Europe, with their revenue increasing about 42%, and they acquired approximately 2.7 million new customers in North America. And so following this strong quarterly report, we've had plenty of Wall Street analysts weighing in, many of them bumping up their price targets, including one 5-star analyst from Raymond James. They noted the strong Q2 results and raised guidance, with strong product marketing and go-to-market execution driving Coach's acceleration and an earlier than expected positive inflection in China that bucked industry trends. The firm says Tapestry is well positioned to continue driving high-quality growth in revenue, profits, and earnings per share, and remains bullish. Also increasing their price target was an analyst from Bank of America. They said that they view Tapestry as well-positioned for sustainable, profitable growth and raised their fiscal 2025 and 26 earnings per share estimates by 8% and 5% respectively. The Tapestry stock has 17 current analyst ratings, coming in as a strong buy with 13 buys and 4 holds. And analysts' average price target comes in at $88.82, implying an upside potential of about 10%. And we look at those ratings down below, you can see nearly every single analyst bumped up their price target following that earnings report, even our hold ratings. Our low-end price target is this $75 from Morgan Stanley, which would be a downside of 7%, while our high-end price target is this $100 from Barclays for an upside of nearly 24%. And our other 10 out of 10 stock today is LPL Financial. They trade under the ticker LPLA, currently priced at $365 per share. Their stock has climbed 45% this past year, and in the last 3 months is up 14.5%. They score a 10 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score with bullish blogger sentiment, increased hedge fund activity, and very positive crowd wisdom. In fact, in the last 30 days, the number of portfolios holding this stock has increased over 18%. As the name suggests, they do operate in the financial world. They primarily operate as an independent broker-dealer and a registered investor advisor custodian. LPL Financial supports independent financial advisors, financial institutions like banks and credit unions, and registered investment advisors by providing them with the tools, technology, and resources needed to manage and grow their practices. They do not offer proprietary financial products, allowing them to provide objective, client-focused advice without pressure to sell specific products. They provide back-office support, including compliance, trade execution, account management, and technology platforms. And this is another company that has gathered attention from Wall Street following a strong quarterly report where they saw both an earnings and revenue beat, plus record organic asset growth. For their fourth quarter, they reported earnings per share of $4.25, beating expectations by 29 cents per share. Revenue grew 33% year over year to $3.5 billion, beating estimates by $180 million. The company also saw their gross profit increase 22%. They delivered industry-leading organic asset growth of 10% in 2024 and attracted record organic net new assets of $68 billion, representing 17% growth rate and leading to their total assets reaching a new high of $1.7 trillion. And so once again, we've seen a flood of Wall Street analysts weighing in on the stock, many of them increasing their price targets, and one of those being a 5-star analyst from TD Cowen. They raised their targets on a sum of the parts model with the central message on the earnings call talking about their durable and superior LT profile, more proactively profitability management, and further client cash stabilization with good underlying updates into January. Also feeling bullish is a 5-star analyst from Barclays. They noted that momentum in the business appears set to continue and management is focused on expanding operating margins in fiscal 2025. And with 12 current analyst ratings, the LPLA stock actually comes in as a unanimous strong buy. The average price target comes in at $409, implying an upside potential of 12.6%. Looking at those ratings down below, once again, you can see majority of them have been increased recently. Our low-end price target is $380 for an upside of 4.5%, while our high-end price target comes in at $435 for an upside of over 19%. So that is a quick look at 2 strong buy stocks, both currently scoring a 10 out of 10 and having a lot of 5-star analysts increase their price targets lately. Let me know your thoughts on these 2 companies, whether they were on your radar or not before, and which one catches your eye the most. I always love hearing from you guys. Of course, please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, so please make sure you stick to your own investment plan. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you back here next time.